Regain your voice. Home remedies for lost voice.
Hello everyone. Losing your voice can be frustrating and inconvenient, especially when you need to communicate regularly. Today, we'll discuss some effective home remedies to help restore your voice when it's temporarily lost due to a cold, overuse, or other common issues.
Why did I lose my voice?
Voice loss or hoarseness commonly occurs due to inflammation or irritation of the vocal cords. This can be a result of common cold, laryngitis, or vocal strain from overuse like yelling or prolonged speaking. Home remedies can be very effective for these conditions, but remember, if your voice loss persists for more than 2 weeks or is accompanied by severe symptoms, consult a healthcare professional.
What are some effective home remedies?
Now let's dive into the remedies you can easily apply at home. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids, preferably warm, like herbal teas or hot water with lemon and honey. These not only keep your throat moist but also have a soothing effect. 2. Rest your voice. This is crucial. Avoid straining your vocal cords by talking, shouting, or singing. Whispering can also be harmful, so it's best to communicate non-verbally if possible. 3. Humidify your environment. A dry environment can further irritate your vocal cords. Using a humidifier, especially in your sleeping area, can be beneficial. 4. Avoid irritants. Steer clear of smoke and other irritants that can worsen your condition. This includes alcohol and caffeine, which can dehydrate you. 5. Gargle with warm salt water. This old-time remedy can help soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water and gargle a few times a day.
When should I seek medical attention?
While these remedies can be highly effective for temporary voice loss, remember it's essential to seek medical attention if your symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks, you have difficulty breathing or swallowing, or you're experiencing severe pain. These could be signs of a more serious condition that needs professional medical intervention. We hope these home remedies will help you regain your voice and comfort. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so try not to strain your voice, stay hydrated, and avoid irritants. Until next time, take good care of your voice, and see you soon.